let's try some Rubio colours, shall we? I've got some new ones. Midnight Sky, Golden Hour, Black, Bourbon, Red Velvet, Oyster. So there you have it, the amazing colours that are going to be an option for you at the Makers Central show to put on your beautiful Bardiche halberd. Standout colours for me, the Midnight Sky, the Red Velvet, Black Walnut, and you can't beat Pure. I put Pure on pretty much everything. These colours, the blue and the red especially, mwah, it's going to be beautiful to see on some of your amazing heads. I look forward to seeing what combinations you come up with. So if you haven't already, you can still get tickets for the show. You can still buy tickets in order to make one of your very own Bardiche halberds. Check out the links in the descriptions, the bio, and I can't wait to see you there. So don't forget, you can get your own colours of these to try on whatever project you're doing. The 6mm samples are brilliant if you just want to test out a colour. They are really good. They go a long way. I've still got lots left in these which I can use on something else, but I love having these test blocks here and the sample blocks for you to be able to see what colours actually look like. I've got links for all of the Rubio products in my bio and everything, so you can go pick up there. You can go pick up your own samples and everything. Hopefully you'll pick out something really nice. Again, Pure's my go-to, but try some of the other colours. The black actually came out really nice on this one. But anyway, that's me done for today. I'll see you whatever I'm doing next, and I'll see you at the show if you're going in a couple of weeks.